Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy, students and staff. Hi, this is Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America.
In sports, the Bulls lost against the Trailblazers with a score of 112 to 124. The Blackhawks lost last night against the Predators with a score of 3 to 4. Clubs meeting today are Fuse Club Rotation 3 will meet from 3 to 4:30 in room 208. TAP will meet today from 3 to 4 p.m. Geography VU Club grades 4, 5, and 6 will meet from 3 to 4 in room 206. Today's announcements are today's Pizza Thursday. Come down at lunch and get a slice for $2. Now a message from Mrs. Rosenblum.
Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy staff and students. Happy Thursday. We're going to start our Thursday hearing about what's been happening in one of our classrooms. Come on over, guys. We would love to hear about what you've been learning.
We have been reading. Hi, my name is Razeb.
My name is Rahaf and we're from room 206. Now,
You're doing great, Ruza. So tell us, what have you been learning about?
we start reciting our A keys, the A keys of the character with their emotions as a reminder to us that we should always be our best.
we have also we have target tags where that we collect for the different achievements we earn in class from reading different genre of books to preservations on subjects to varieties topics we study. So for like each when we read a book we like twice we get a B, then different tags for things we do.
We have a year-long focus on kindness with a weekly kindness challenge such as writing letters to our friends, cleaning up messes that aren't ours, and offering a hand to anyone who needs it.
We have also been learning to play the guitar in music and wrote about goals for 2019. We have been doing in writing.
Guys, that's wonderful. There's been so many fascinating things happening in your room. I have one last question for you. For the 8 keys, what's been the most significant difference for you personally?
We've sometimes used flexibility a lot when things don't go the right way we wanted to.
Wow, and I think that's really impressive that you're already learning that, because even as adults, it's sometimes hard for us to be flexible. We have to work at it. So I love that you guys are already doing that. Did you have anything you wanted to add, Ruseb?
Yeah, we use integrity more oftentimes because we do the right thing when no one's watching. Like we do that a lot of times.
That's wonderful. You're right, boys and girls, integrity is the most important thing I think that we all have, right? It makes us who we are and the great people that we are. So thank you so much for sharing a little bit about what's happening in your room. Have a great day, guys. All right, I do have a congratulations to our December Spirit Wear winning class. Drum roll. And the pennant goes to, whoops, Mr. Sussich's room. Congratulations on your victory. Looking forward to see which classroom earns the pennant for the month of January. My last thing is just about shining brighter together. The kindness bricks are amazing. I cannot wait to see the wall that we create. I know it's going to be enormous because there's so many acts of kindness that I'm seeing throughout the school. So keep up the great work. And finally, again, our after-school writing club has been working so hard. I am really pleased. On Tuesday, I saw them writing about a variety of things, whether it was celebrating Father's Day and how that would look, or still continuing the study of refugees. Fantastic writing, and they're going to have a chance to really show what they know on the access test, which is coming up soon. All right, Hoover, together we shine brighter.
Thank you, Mrs. Rosenblum. Today is National Bittersweet Chocolate Day. Chocolate comes from the seed of the tropical Theobroma cacao tree. This week's science have a warm hug Thursday.